This is Dr. Richard Balikian from Balikian Facial Plastic Surgery, and we're here in our surgery center immediately after rhinoplasty for our amazing patient who currently is getting the cellular repair treatment from Elixir MD. This is an extra step we take for our patients that not many do. Immediately after surgery, we put this light-based therapy on, and it's going to help decrease swelling, it's going to help decrease bruising, and those are critical things when it comes to rhinoplasty. So we have her set up today. She's getting a 20-minute treatment, and then throughout the week, we're going to make sure she's coming back and seeing us in the office, checking in with me, and getting another 20-minute treatment. All the while, we're checking in, making sure she's having a good experience, as well as making sure we're reducing the swelling and bruising. So by the time we take that splint off in a week, we're ahead of the game with the best result possible.